Chris
Mhm.
brought up a really good point that you can talk to, Chris, as far as why isn't it just simpler?
Yeah, I mean, it's just like you would think, with all the technology we have and everything else, where you could just simplify things. We make it 3 or 4 pages long. What's covered, what's not. No vague, no crazy stuff in there. Like boom,
Right.
boom, 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 list it all out, and then that solves all the problems. And
Yeah.
then that would be a great
Well,
world that we'd live in.
that's right. And so, Chris, you and I, we deal with policy contracts all the time,
Hmm.
and we know how to read them, and we know mostly, like, we interpret stuff that maybe an adjuster interprets it differently, but we're able to come to an agreement because, like, yeah, that's a little vague or ambiguous or
Hmm.
whatever it might be. But you and I read these things every single day, and so we know what
Hmm.
we're doing, and we're trying to impart that wisdom onto our viewers. But ultimately, the harder they make it to file a claim and the scarier they make it, I have people tell me continually, well, I don't want to make a claim because my rates are going to go up. Well, guess what? Hailstorm or a fire, your rates are for sure going to go up. And you don't make a claim, you're paying for everybody else's property to be fixed except for yours. So I think it's a combination of all of these things that when the insurance company writes these, I think they could absolutely make it simple. Kind of like what you said. Hey, this is what's covered, this is what's not. Here's the deductible. Think if I had to guess, it's in the favor of the insurance company when
Hmm.
things are a little vague and ambiguous because people then get confused, and the fewer people that actually proceed with an insurance claim, the more money the insurance companies make.